Here he is, Troopy Matt to the rescue!
Hey there, Matt.
Hey Dan, how you going, mate?
Very well, thanks.
In my last video, Troopy Matt came all the way from Albury to help recover our vehicles in the Vic High Country. I took the opportunity to see his modifications he's made to his HJ75 1987 TroopCarrier, particularly the DIY setup he's built in the back for off-road travel.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, 1400 long. Lockers on both sides, just because we're four-wheel driving. Just recently put it all together, so that's just a bombshell in there at the moment. That's the pantry side. Then on this side, I run all my tools. I do have my saber saw. Nice. Yeah, and then just above that, I decided to go with the King's fridge.
35 litre, is it?
35 litre, yeah. It fit 35 cans apparently, but I don't drink that much, so running with the little Travel Buddy oven directly above it. And that's all powered by a 120 amp hour lithium King's battery off the 40 amp hardcore DC to DC charger, which is all going really well.
It's awesome.
Single bed, and under here I've got a board that'll sit up on there so that if the wife decides to come with me, we can just chuck a additional little piece of foam in and increase the bed size.
Squeeze both of you in there?
Yeah.
Great. And this is full length here, but is it full length on the wings there? Or
yes, it is. I could have made all fancy little boxes and moved the bed and have all extra storage, but it's only a 2H diesel, so it sees a hill in the distance and says, nah, we're not doing that. So I decided to just, if I can't take it in these two drawers, I'm not taking it. I'm trying to keep the weight right down as much as I possibly can. I do have a turbo at home for it, so the build's underway. This is just in undercoat at the moment, was only bolted on yesterday. It's got to have the swingaways done for it and everything, and re-lights put in. Yeah.
That's the art form, isn't it? Keeping the weight down low and keeping the weight down.
Yeah.
You know, that's
yeah. I'm half tempted not to go with a swing-away tyre carrier there and just leave that tyre on the door, and maybe just a swing-away jerry can for some water. And or I've got a ton of room under there, I might mount a tank and have a hose up here with a pressure pump.
Plenty of options for a Troopy for that.
Yeah, well, you never stop the build, do you?
Tell me about it.
Once you start, yeah.
Yeah, that's excellent. And you did it all yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, built all that myself. A friend of mine folded that up for me and tacked it together, but I welded it all out. There's still more to go. I've got to put the rubber around it so I get a seal there, so I'm not getting dust and that come up through and into the car, because she's an old car. So I'm going to do away with this, and I'm going to run a lever up here so I can reach it with my toe and just sort of kick that open and then kick the door open without even getting out of bed. Once that's gone, I can then cut out there and make a storage in that side. And for cooking, I've just got this table at the moment, but I've got another one at home with the little slide out that will go to here. And same again, I'll cut out at the back there and make internal boxes so I can run my spices and maybe a bottle of turkey. Yeah.
Just the essentials.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I'm trying not to take too much stuff, so trying to go back to basics. Yeah.
Awesome.
Camping simply.
Yeah, camping simply.
Yes.
That's my motto.
Yeah. And it's a lot cheaper doing it that way too, yeah.
No, that's excellent. Thanks, Matt. Awesome.
Too easy. Yeah.